Welcome back to the channel, guys. Easy Crypto here for another video. So today I'm going to talk to you about a few coins which I believe can do really well, and I'm buying today in preparation for the Nvidia earnings release, guys. So that's going to be the video today. But to start with, we're always going to cover where Bitcoin is. So Bitcoin is actually trading at $68,000, so roughly around $68,000. Really bullish. I personally do believe we might see a push up to our new all-time high within the next few weeks, which is super bullish. But we'll see how things go, guys. Still a brilliant time to be buying into some of our altcoins as we are still massively discounted. Obviously, in my opinion, I can see AI as being the biggest narrative for this bull cycle. I'm still bullish on gaming, but I am going to slightly alter my portfolio more towards AI now, because I do believe we are going to miss out on some gains if we do not concentrate on the AI sector. And it is one that can do really good things. Even some of these big market cap coins, I still believe have got massive room to grow, guys. So with that being said, where are we? Are we anywhere near altcoin season? Obviously, the cryptocurrency bull run is not over, nowhere near over yet, guys, in my personal opinion. And I want to show you this quick chart, a nice and easy chart. Anyone can understand it. Come on here, Blockchain Center, altcoin season index. We're at 39, guys. So we're still in Bitcoin season. We're slowly coming over to altcoin season. Obviously, this level will come all the way up to here when we're fully in altcoin season, guys. But as you can see from the chart, this, for example, is obviously where we are now. But if we look back to, if we just scroll back here to 2021, as you can see, we wicked right up here, and we were in this altcoin season. Well, actually, when we're above this line here, 75, we want to start DCAing out of our altcoins, guys. That's personally what I believe, and we're nowhere near that. So we're at 39 here. We will see this obviously come up towards the 75 region. When we start wicking off the 75 region, we want to be taking profits heavily. So another little indicator which we can go to, which is easy going to tell us what is going to be happening and where are we in terms of the pi cycle again. So we're going to quickly go through that. This is the pi cycle top indicator, which I've told you about previously, and I want to just do an update on this because we're a week later now, but we're nowhere near. We're still trending upwards, guys, but we're nowhere near crossing. So when this moving average crosses this moving average, this is the time to sell. As we can see in previous cycles, it crossed here, it was time to sell and get out of the market, right? We did have a double top, but anyway, it gives us an indication, right? So we're nowhere near, we're not even in the alt season yet. So Bitcoin's still got high dominance. We still got great entries on our favorite coins, guys. So the next thing I want to talk about in the market is basically what I'm planning to do next, guys. So when we're talking about the coins we're going to be investing in, well, I'm going to be investing in, I'm looking at AI, right, as the thing to take off. I want to make a bit of money in AI, and then from there, once I've made my money in AI, I want to then transfer that into the next sector that's going to do well, which I believe is going to probably be something like gaming. So I'll be looking at more entries on smaller market cap gaming coins, but I'm going to be concentrating on AI for the next few weeks until, obviously, depending on what the Nvidia earnings come out as, I'm going to be concentrating on AI, looking for some decent entries, and the ones I'm going to buy, I'm going to tell you now. But realistically, what I wanted to bring you here, guys, is the market cap, obviously, of all AI, guys, currently stands at 40 billion 520 million and 206,000, okay, which is crazy compared to Nvidia as an actual company. We're at 2.324 trillion in market cap. So that company itself is way bigger than the whole market of cryptocurrency in terms of AI. And this is personally another reason why I think some of these big market cap coins, even Bitenza, likes of Bitenza, Tau, is going to do excellent. I mean, we could see some of these big coins even do 30x. So it's relatively safe, is what I'm trying to say, is even though some of these coins that have got high market cap are actually relatively safe. So moving on from that, guys, what am I looking at getting into over the course of the next few weeks? So ATOR I'm going to be looking at getting into, and ATOR is a privacy network, so it's combining AI. It kind of combines AI, it kind of combines DeepIn, but it's a privacy network, which is kind of like a plug and play. You can plug it into your network and it provides a privacy to all your devices on your current network. If we take a look at the project itself, it is really interesting. As you can see, website looks really cool. Anonymity layer for DeepIn, building the largest global anonymous routing ecosystem, leveraging a decentralized privacy protocol, on-chain incentives and signature hardware to rapidly scale a network. And obviously for using this, you will then get rewards for using this, guys. It's really interesting. Really like this project, and it's one of the smaller market cap projects I will be talking about today. Please come and check it out, because I do believe this is kind of very undervalued for what it actually is. So realistically, the benefits of this project is you're making your network more secure by using this protocol, guys, and obviously the net benefit of that is you'll earn rewards for that in terms of cryptocurrency, which is, who's not going to like that? It's a brilliant project, guys. So this is one that I will be buying over the course of the next few weeks, and it is a really good price to buy as well, considering we have had a little bit of a pullback. Obviously, yes, we're 5% up on the day, but in terms of the actual month, we are still around 20% down, guys, which is, in my opinion, a great opportunity to buy. So that's the first cryptocurrency I want to talk about. The next one is going to be this one, and I've been banging on about this one for ages. I got an average entry on this. I'm still actually down a little bit on this project, but we're bringing it back up. Over the course of the last 7 days, we were up 15%. I've spoken about this before. Carl Chase loves this project, and I like this project as well. It's very similar in terms of what Tao's doing, but I've made a complete separate video on this, and if you want more information on this particular project, go to my video and then go to Carl Chase's video, because it is very in-depth. Very relatively small market cap, 193 million. In terms of like AI projects, this is still small. This can easily 50x, guys, if everything goes to plan. Yes, it is on the Ethereum network, and there's not many exchanges yet. I really want to see them get a decent exchange system. They need to do this to kind of bring attention to this particular project, and I want to see this project do well, but they do need to get off their arse slightly and start getting some of these listings, guys, to be honest, because normies are not going to buy this project while it is on just Uniswap. They're just not. They're going to be buying it on, even on MEXC, some people won't be buying on. It's going to have to get a decent exchange system to do well. But the team is very good. The team is actually who are the developers of the original Pepe coin, and it is very much linked with the original Pepe coin, which is super interesting. And it does have, if you want, I'm not going to go into detail on this particular video on why it's got on the history behind it, but go and check out my previous video and also Carl Chase's video. He goes into massive detail on this particular project, guys. So come and check this one out. This is one of my top picks for this bull cycle. Definitely one to watch, and it could be a 50 to 100x. Could be my best play of this bull cycle, guys. So the next project I want to talk to you about is Arweave. Now, this has been my best performer of this bull cycle so far. This is one that I have made the most amount of profits from. Circulating supply is excellent. The market cap is very high, but this is a good bit of learning for myself, really. Considering this is probably my biggest market cap play in this bull run so far, it's been also my biggest profit, my biggest outperformer out of all my cryptocurrencies in this bull cycle, right? So there's one thing to take away from this particular video, and this is for me as well, is that just because a project, and this is what I wanted to kind of move on to, just because a project has a really high market cap, guys, doesn't mean that it's a bad project, right? We've got to look at certain criteria. We've got to look at the circulating supply, guys, right? The circulating supply, the fully diluted market cap, the market cap, we've got to look at many things, but also the main real thing is actually what sector is pumping. And we know that Arweave is in a sector that is pumping, right? So it's decentralized storage. It's done absolutely brilliant things already, and I can only see this going higher. I took out quite a lot of profits purely because I want to roll those over into other altcoins, and it's a high market cap coin, this, and I don't know how much higher it can run, but realistically this has outperformed all of my other cryptocurrencies, even the ones that have like a $10 million market cap. They have sat still, they've dropped, they've done nothing. Whereas Arweave, such a big, well-renowned cryptocurrency with real-world application, relatively safe in terms of an investment, has been the best investment. So it's just one thing that I've kind of like realised over the last few months, is that we don't really need to go diving deep into these really rogue cryptocurrencies when we can look for really stable projects that are out in the open. We don't have to do much digging to find. That's staring us in the face, really. We knew this was going to pump, but we didn't like the market cap, and I bit the bullet and I did it because I thought, you know, it's in a good niche, in a good sector, and it's a well-renowned, got great partnerships, you know, and it's paid off for me. So this is why we do need to have some really good well-backed plays, not all degen plays. Don't get me wrong, I do like degen plays, but look, this has been my best outperformer so far, guys. I've taken profits on this, but I'm going to re-enter, guys. The other one is going to be obviously Based AI, which is probably going to be my favourite pick in terms of the AI sector if they get on top of their exchange listings and their marketing. This is going to get through the roof. And then obviously the last one is called ATOR protocol, which I've spoken about, which is a privacy layer. Super bullish on this project. It's on the Ethereum network at the minute. What exchanges have we got? We've got actually some decent exchanges. We've got KuCoin listing and MXE listing, so doing big things, guys. So I'll provide you with obviously another update in the week, and also some gaming picks that I'm interested in, a slightly lower market cap, but for now these are my 3 picks in the AI sector, which will probably have a decent run this bull cycle. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.